been so nice having Minnie and Manny here. Who knows what we'll do tomorrow?
Let me show them this broken rocket tomorrow. They'll definitely be able to fix it.
I have so many questions to ask them. Amazing.
What type of food would they like? Best thing to do is to try everything.
Maybe I should take them on a picnic.
Come on, let's get to sleep already.
But I've already slept.
Yeah, and I slept before you.
They are such nice people. They welcomed us into their home. I wish we could have done something for them.
We'll do everything they ask of us and make them happy, Minnie.
Now, what exactly should I ask them first? I have so many questions in my mind. Ah, that's it! I shall ask this. Or this. No. Definitely, I think the first one. Ah, you've made it. I've been looking for you.
Shh. Darling, the kids haven't woken up yet.
Ah, so you are here. I was, what are you doing?
It's for the spaceship. Is it a problem for you?
No way. Not at all. So you call it a spaceship?
Yes, sir. I'll take it into the garden in a minute and start fixing it.
Ah, the spaceship you say. Yes, please, bring it. Did you hear that, dear? They have a spaceship.
I heard. They made me faint again from excitement.
Oh, I can't wait to see the spaceship, honey.
Come on, Minnie. Come, let's look for Neşe.
Actually, I wanted to ask you something. They're flying again.
Come on, let's wake her up.
You can ask about their boots later, honey.
But I'll never have the chance to ask because the kids distract them.
Neşe's room must be around here somewhere.
I'm waking up, sis. Hey, sis. I can't believe this. Did I really wake up before my sister, Neşe? I need to be quiet. I need to be silent. I'll be the first one to find Minnie and Manny this morning. Maybe I can show them the broken rocket before my sister wakes up.
Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, Neşe.
Good morning. I'll be down in 2 seconds.
Not again.
Mutlu! You're late again, Smarty Pants. I still woke up before you.
But sis, wait a sec. Good morning.